guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I want to share with you where I've been for last week. I was in Hawaii. Fantastic, especially during a Minnesota winter. Oh my god, it was so great. So relaxing, beautiful. Oh my god, it was so beautiful. But if you've never been to the Big Island, I hadn't been before, or you have been and you just want to see it again, I hope you like my video. I did want to share some of the highlights of the trip with you, and that'll be coming up next. I'll link all my socials down in the description below, and I hope you enjoy the video. Look at this. I will not mind leaving this behind. Snow, snow, snow. Heading out at 4 a.m. to a nice, icy, chilly, chilly night. Oh my god, I see it. Oh, I'm almost there. We came to kind of a national park type thing. Cultural center. Lots of warnings about plants, water, and tsunami death. Going along the hiking trail. My very hiking appropriate shoes on. Now that's a view to come up on. Oh my god, this is exactly what I want to see in the middle of winter. Hi chicken. Hi little chicken. Oh my god, do you hear those birds? This is seriously so cool. That's kind of a cool idea. Like have all your visitors put stuff, or pins. Second totally cool lookout of today. Kind of a long car ride, but absolutely worth it. Oh my gosh. That's a giant tree. So this is the parking lot into the factory. Pretty nice, huh? Oh, I'm totally gonna run up and pose with that macadamia nut. Try and stop me. So the sign says self-guided factory tour, which I was a little bit nervous of, but we're really just peeking in the windows, which is kind of cool, but also kind of odd that the workers constantly have strangers looking in on them. But hey, if they're cool with it, so am I. So these are the little machines packaging the nuts. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool to see. Excited little macadamia nut buddy. And they even have a lovely nature walk section. This place is seriously beautiful, not at all what I expect of when I think factory. Okay, this is gorgeous. But honestly, from what we're seeing of this island, it's not even any different than the lookouts. Like, it's just, all of it is beautiful. This is just like a forgotten garden leading into Jurassic Park. I love it. Oh, all the little peacocks run loose here. Best zoo ever. We got the peacocks on the picnic table with the roosters. We got a scene from Jurassic Park about to play out. He better run. Oh my god, look at this little sea turtle. He's just chilling. So this inlet just kind of goes to the ocean, and he's just like legit here. This is awesome. He's eating a leaf. That's not even part of his diet. That's a land leaf. Okay, goodbye, Mr. Friend. He's slow, but he's majestic. Farewell. Hi, dolphins. Hi. So cool. Walking from the dolphins over to the pool, and they have a beach right there, because this is Hawaii, and why not? Beautiful beach. Nobody's on it. It looks kind of rocky, but pretty. Let's see, we've got some pretty bags, we have some signs. These are pretty cool, they're little surfboards. Oh, I like it. There's so much stuff here. Got some shirts. Oh, these are pretty. Just cruising along. Ooh, no jewelry for me. Keep walking. Oh, this stuff's pretty cool. Look at the shell hangers. That's so neat what they can do with that. This whole shop's pretty cool, actually. They got some good stuff in here. They have some coconut purses, which I love, but I'm not getting. Some wooden decor, and then all the seashell necklaces. These are actually the first ones I've seen here, but I thought I would see tons. We're on a hike. We're on a hike. We're on a hike. 3 miles till we get there. Another day of hiking, another day of excellently and superbly chosen footwear. That's right, I'm in flip-flops again. Finally, we made it! Sort of. Yeah, so still gotta figure out a way to get down there. Alright, fantastic. What would a tourist attraction be if not at the bottom of the cliff? Right? Whatever, I'm going down there. I didn't hike for an hour not to go down there. Alright, we're heading down. Oh yeah, this looks totally legit. Okay. Oh, it's actually pretty sturdy. Nice. Yep, holding the camera in your hand while doing this. Don't suggest that. It's actually not bad though. Okay, so I wanted to show you the descent, but I sped this part of the video up because it was way too long. Even sped up, it's taken a fair amount of time, but it looks like I'm just like cruising down this rock side. I'm not, I'm going pretty slowly, but it really wasn't bad to get down. There were a lot of like kind of natural handholds and footholds in there, and I made it. Alright, I made it. Green Sand Beach. I'm told one of 4 in the world. There's a sign here. Anyway, I'm not sure I would call the sand green. It's more gold. It's cool though. Time for a long walk back. Alright, you guys, that was it. That was my week's trip to the big island of Hawaii. I hope you liked it. Like I said, it was a gorgeous island. I was so excited to be there. Happy to return. You know, it's so great to go on vacation, but there's something special about coming home too. So it was awesome. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you soon. Bye.